Hello and welcome back, guys. My name is Delmas, a clinician and a neuropsychiatric specialist. Today we're going to be talking about agoraphobia. Well, what if stepping outside of your house felt impossible? So it must be agoraphobia. According to the DSM-V TR, definition for agoraphobia is fear of situation where escape might be difficult. The person would need to experience it for at least a duration of 6 months. Some of the symptoms include avoiding crowds, public transportation, closed or open spaces, avoiding even going to the mailbox to pick up their own mails, okay? And this sometimes overlap with panic disorder. So, anxiety can take many forms, but you don't have to face it alone, okay? So, agoraphobia does not have to trap you because recovery is possible. So, the key to agoraphobia is taking small steps, right? For instance, if you're someone who's struggling of leaving your house, maybe you can try to go outside and pick up the mail at the mailbox, okay? So small steps all count. So maybe think about going outside without going outside, and then add going outside by opening up your door, then come back. So next time, maybe walk to the mailbox and pick up the mails and go back. And after that, maybe going outside and then walk around and build up your confidence. And before you know, you're going to be leaving the house and do whatever you have to do. So help is out there. It's important for you to know that staying in the house is not the healthiest for you, but overcoming the struggle, that's what's needed to be happening. Work with someone, see a professional, definitely do some exposure therapy or CBT. All that might be very much successful for you. All right. So again, keep coming. There's a lot more that we're going to talk about. So let's keep talking, right? And remember to subscribe. Also share the video and then put a thumbs up. Like, save the video for next time that you need to hear it. So take care of yourself, and until then, take care.